The air code ER1F on a Kenmore Elite refrigerator indicates a fault with the ice fan, which is often caused by accumulated ice or frost inside the ice maker fan housing. To fix this issue, it's necessary to disconnect the refrigerator from the power supply, either by unplugging it or switching off the circuit breaker, and wait for at least 24 hours to allow the ice to thaw. Alternatively, to speed up the process, the contents of the freezer can be removed. The back panel can be taken off using a screwdriver to expose the fan motor, and a hairdryer can be used to melt the accumulated ice. Once the ice has been melted, the refrigerator can be reconnected to the power supply and switched back on. If the issue persists, it may indicate a problem with the fan motor, in which case it's recommended to contact a professional repair service for further assistance.